Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Comcast Peacock, manage Xfinity Home, complete guide step by step. To log into Comcast Peacock, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Peacock, which is www.peacocktv.com. Once the page loads, look for the sign in option located at the top right corner. Click on Sign In to be directed to the login page. Here, you will need to enter your email address associated with your Peacock account. After entering your email, click on the Next button. Now, input your password in the designated field. Once you've entered your password, click on the Sign In button to access your account. After logging in, you can explore the content available on Peacock. Next, to manage your Xfinity Home, open a new tab in your web browser. Type in the URL for Xfinity, which is www.xfinity.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top of the Xfinity homepage. Enter your Xfinity username and password in the respective fields. Once you have entered your credentials, click Sign In to access your account. Upon logging in, navigate to the Home section on the dashboard. Here, you will find options to manage your Xfinity Home services. You can adjust settings for devices, security features, and other connected services. To monitor your devices, click on Devices in the Xfinity Home menu. From there, you can view and manage all connected devices in your home. If you need to make changes to your security settings, select Security in the menu. Follow the prompts to customize your security preferences. For any additional help, visit the support section on both sites. This will give you access to FAQs and customer support resources. You are now ready to enjoy Peacock and manage your Xfinity Home services effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.